Now we get to the decision exploration table, which is basically saying at the time that we're thinking about making a decision, how can we be much more explicit and thorough in the way that we're thinking about how the future might turn out? The first is luck, and the second is the quality of the decisions that you make. And so that's why we're making that separation. So when things don't work out, we want to think about both the things that have to do with skill, our own choices, and the things that are outside of our influence, things that have to do with luck. And this is really important to do this independently. Give the reasons that they think that you might fail that have to do with skill or have to do with luck. Now, on the flip side, we also want to pair that with something called a backcast. And a backcast is sort of the happy version. It's really important to explore the reasons that luck might cause you to succeed, because I think that we tend to forget those, because when we have successes, we really like to take credit for them. And so getting your eye on the luck is actually going to help you to get a better view of the future.
As you, the reader, go through the pre-mortem, these really are broken down into these 4 different buckets. So the pre-mortem, the 2 steps here, then the backcasts are the 2 steps here. And then once you fill this out, you have the results page, which has additional questions for discussion, but more importantly, it just gives you this nice consolidated view of this 2x2 matrix of pre-mortems, backcast with skill and luck.
Yeah, and then basically the discussion that you want to have at that point is, if you haven't made the decision already, you would say, do we want to change our minds here? Does this make us think that we should change the decision in some way? You could do a decision exploration table for different options that you're exploring, but you can also do this post-decision.